What is the value that a bookkeeper can provide to a landlord business? Financial accuracy. A bookkeeper ensures that all financial transactions, including rent collection, expenses, and property maintenance costs, are accurately recorded and organized. This accuracy is essential for financial statements, tax purposes, and decision-making. Expense tracking. They help track and categorize expenses, such as property maintenance, repairs, insurance, and utilities. This enables landlords to monitor their costs and make informed decisions on budgeting and pricing. Rent collection. Bookkeepers can handle rent collection, ensuring that payments are received on time. They can also follow up on late payments, helping to maintain a steady cash flow. Financial statements. Bookkeepers can generate monthly, quarterly, or annual financial statements, including profit and loss statements and balance sheets. These statements provide a clear overview of the landlord's financial health. Tax compliance. They ensure that the landlord's business complies with tax regulations. This includes calculating and withholding taxes, tracking deductible expenses, and preparing the necessary documentation for tax filings. Budgeting and forecasting. Bookkeepers can assist in creating and maintaining budgets for the landlord's properties. They can also provide insights and forecasts based on historical financial data, helping landlords make informed decisions about investments, renovations, or property acquisitions. Time and stress savings. By handling the financial aspects of the business, bookkeepers free up the landlord's time to focus on property management, tenant relationships, and strategic planning. This can reduce stress and improve overall efficiency. Financial analysis. Bookkeepers can analyze financial data to identify trends, cost-saving opportunities, or areas where the business could improve profitability. This analysis can be invaluable in making strategic decisions. Audit preparedness. In the event of an audit, having organized and accurate financial records prepared by a bookkeeper can simplify the process and ensure compliance with audit requirements. Business growth. As a landlord's property portfolio grows, managing finances becomes more complex. A bookkeeper can help scale the financial operations smoothly, ensuring that the business remains financially healthy. In summary, a bookkeeper plays a crucial role in maintaining the financial health and stability of a landlord business. Their expertise in financial management and record-keeping can save time, reduce errors, and provide valuable insights for making informed business decisions.